Evaporating planet seen getting hiccups. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope has observed an evaporating planet that appears to be having the hiccups. The planet is located 32 light-years from Earth and orbits a red dwarf star. The young star AU microscopii is regularly spitting out superflares some 100 to 1,000 times more powerful than their counterparts from the Sun, coupled with extreme ultraviolet radiation. It's so close to its parent star that it experiences a consistent, torrential blast of energy, which evaporates its hydrogen atmosphere, causing it to puff off the planet, NASA said. The planet is about 4 times Earth's diameter.